Hi, I'm Martin. Welcome to my Mega channel. Today I show you how I reproduce my
Reproduce.
thank you. My fingerprint. Therefore, I combine the 3D scanning technique and the 3D printing technique to make a perfect reproduction of my fingertip. This video should show you how far technology went until today. So now we are living in this Mission Impossible Tom Cruise style times where we can achieve everything which we can't imagine in the early 2000s. Yeah, let's start. At first I need my structured light scanner to scan my fingertip and make a 3D model out of it. If the scan area or the scanned object is smaller than around about 110 mm, you can mount the camera on the left side of the projector. Then we need the glass calibration panels. Plug in the USB flash drive with the David 3D Scanner Pro software and start it. In the software, the first step is to calibrate the camera setup. So therefore you need the glass calibration panels. Bottom you see the pattern on the glass panels. This is an indicator that our scan calibration succeed. Now I'm going to scan my thumb 3 times. First time on the left side, then in the middle and then on the right side. Next step is sorting. After sorting, you cut out the parts which you don't need in the 3D printed object afterwards. And then we fuse everything together to one model. replicating our fingerprint is possible. The bottleneck of the process is certainly the Z resolution of the printer. So let's test it. Yeah, it's not flexible enough, so it is TPU. It needs to be even more flexible to imitate our soft skin. Thank you for watching the video. Leave a like if you like that video, and if you subscribe to the channel you will immediately notice when a new video is online. Special thanks to my Patreons, and tschüss.